Rustic Furniture Inspirations, bringing nature's charm into your home. Introduction: Embracing the rustic aesthetic. Welcome back to Decor Lab, where we dive deep into the world of home inspirations and rustic charm. If you're looking to transform your living space into a serene retreat that reflects the beauty of nature, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore the enchanting world of rustic furniture and how it can breathe life into your home. From reclaimed wood tables to vintage-inspired chairs, rustic furniture offers a unique blend of warmth and character that modern styles often lack. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on your favorite rustic pieces or ideas you'd love to see featured next. Understanding rustic design, the heart of nature. At its core, rustic design draws heavily from nature. This aesthetic is characterized by materials and textures that are reminiscent of the great outdoors. Think about rough-hewn timber, stone accents, and earthy colors. Each piece of furniture tells a story, whether it's a weathered dining table that has witnessed countless family gatherings or a cozy armchair made from reclaimed barn wood. The rustic style encourages us to appreciate imperfections. Every knot in the wood, every slight unevenness is a testament to the beauty of nature's craftsmanship. The beauty of reclaimed wood. One of the most popular materials in rustic furniture is reclaimed wood. This eco-friendly choice not only reduces waste but also adds a unique character to your space. Imagine a coffee table made from old barn beams or a bookshelf crafted from salvaged pallets. Each piece carries history, providing a rich narrative that modern, mass-produced furniture simply cannot replicate. The natural variations in wood grain, color, and texture create a sense of authenticity and warmth. When choosing reclaimed wood furniture, look for incorporating natural textures. To truly embrace rustic design, consider incorporating various natural textures beyond wood. Stone, wicker, and linen can beautifully complement your furniture selections. For instance, a stone fireplace or a textured area rug can serve as a stunning backdrop to your wooden furniture. Woven baskets and linen throws can add warmth and coziness to your living spaces. These elements help create a tactile experience that connects us to the natural world. When decorating, think about layering different textures to add depth and interest. Choosing the right color palette. Color plays a significant role in establishing a rustic atmosphere in your home. Earthy tones such as deep browns, forest greens, and muted grays are excellent choices that reflect the natural environment. Accent these with pops of color inspired by nature, think burnt oranges and soft creams. A neutral base allows the beauty of your rustic furniture to shine while providing a calming backdrop. When selecting colors, also consider how they will interact with natural light in your space. Soft, warm colors can create an inviting atmosphere. Creating a focal point with statement pieces. When arranging rustic furniture, consider using statement pieces as focal points in your rooms. A large, handcrafted dining table can serve as the heart of your dining area, while a vintage armoire might become a standout feature in your living room. Statement pieces draw the eye and can set the tone for the rest of the space. Surround these pieces with complementary items that enhance their charm without overshadowing them. For instance, pair a rustic table with mismatched chairs that bring personality and warmth, or flank a vintage cabinet with earthy decor like potted. Adding personal touches, accessories and decor. Once you've established your rustic furniture layout, it's time to infuse your personality into the space. Accessories play a crucial role in tying the room together and making it feel lived in. Think about adding vintage finds, like old lanterns, rustic photo frames, or handmade pottery. These elements not only enhance the rustic aesthetic but also tell your story. Displaying family heirlooms or travel souvenirs can create a personal connection to the environment. Incorporating nature-inspired decor, such as botanical prints or driftwood sculptures, can also enhance the rustic. The importance of comfort in rustic spaces. While rustic furniture is known for its aesthetic appeal, comfort should never be overlooked. Cozy seating is essential for creating a welcoming environment. Opt for plush cushions, soft blankets, and comfortable upholstery to make your space feel inviting. Think about incorporating elements like oversized sofas or bean bags that encourage relaxation and conversation. Layering fabrics, like a chunky knit throw on a leather sofa, can enhance both comfort and style. Remember, a rustic Conclusion, your rustic journey begins. As we wrap up our exploration of rustic furniture inspirations, remember that creating a rustic sanctuary is about more than just selecting pieces. It's about telling a story and bringing the charm of nature indoors. From reclaimed wood to personal touches, each element plays a role in establishing a warm and inviting atmosphere. We hope this video inspires you to embrace the rustic aesthetic and incorporate it into your home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite rustic finds or ideas. Thank you for joining us at Decor Lab.